दुनिया में दो तरह के लोग होते हैं, विनर्स एंड लूजर्स। लेकिन जिंदगी हर लूजर को वो एक मौका जरूर देती है जिसमें वो विनर बन सकता है। ये कहानी दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी चोरी की है। इट वॉज ऑल अबाउट अ हैंडफुल ऑफ डायमंड्स।
इजी लगता है मोनी का डांस? इजी नहीं है।
डांस ना एक पूजा है, डांस एक आर्ट है, आर्ट।
रंगू बिड़े दिमाग में कीड़े। Now you're watching me speaking English. English.
हमें पार्ट लेना पड़ेगा इन WDC।
WDC बैंड का डका WDC है क्या?
It's just a hold on telephone.
What is the word?
It's a hold on down telephone.
What is the word? Say it clearly.
World Dance Championship.
Why? I'm feeling alright, cause it's a nonsense night. I'm feeling alright, cause it's a nonsense night.
मतलब
कह रहा है हंसो मत।
All is in the bell, if end is in the bell. All is in the bell, if end is in the bell.
कौन सोच सकता है 6 लूजर्स एक डांस कंपटीशन में डांस करने के बजाय करोड़ों रुपए के हीरे चुराएंगे।
Welcome, director Farah Khan. You're very beautiful and equally talented. Give it up, Auntie Gone. Without making his debut with the biggest film of the year, please welcome on stage Vivan Shah. The man who's gone from villain to hero, the super Punjabi, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Sonu Sood. India's most loved character actor, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Bama Durrani. A man who needs no introduction, Junior Bachchan himself. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Abhishek Bachchan. And of course, the Badshah of Bollywood. Please put your hands together, make as much noise as you can. Just about got his name out there. That was nice enough. Thank you very much. And I'd like to start with you, Farah Ji. How has the lead up to the film taken over your life?
Let's say I haven't seen my husband in 2 weeks. I still make time for my children, but it's a whirlwind lead up. In between, I keep telling Shahrukh, we keep forgetting our movie is still to come.
Yes.
We still have a movie right now it's in post-production. But the tour has been amazing. Slam, I mean, I think we slammed every city we went to, and really, I think we saved the best for the last. So
Yes.
So we are hoping to slam London too tonight.
Absolutely, we're looking forward to that. Shah, sir, if I can come to you. North America, how was that so far? Has it been big? I mean, Farah's just mentioned that it was a huge tour. You're here to put the final nail in the huge release of this film, Happy New Year. How was North America?
I was scared when you started saying the final.
No.
Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, it's been really nice. It's been a long time since I think any of us have performed live on such a big scale.
25 years for me, ever.
Yeah, 25 years since she did the actual World Dance Championship, she said, last time when she was taken live. But it's been great fun. And you know, when you make a film like this and you have a team like this, and the other people who've joined the tour now, Madhuri and Malaika, I think it's just a good excuse, really, to go out there with the whole team and enjoy yourself. And the film is about dancing, so it all seems to fit in. And we've been hanging out together for the last 1 year making this film. So it was easy to be with a set of people who are friends now, like family. And I think when you do a live show, the most important part is how everyone gets along together. And I think this is one of the finest experiences the filmmaking. Happy New Year and slam the tour. So like Farah said, London has always been the most important city for coming and performing live. Normally we start with London. Because initially I remember when we used to do World we used to come to London, so if I may use the word screw up a little, London used to forgive us. But this time we have screwed up in other cities, made the show perfectly alright, and going on with the same work, now we come to slam you, as Farah said. So yeah, London will be great fun. Never performed it, so that will be the first, and inshallah it will be a great experience for everyone who comes and watches also.
I'm sure we're looking forward to it intensely. Balaji, I'd like to ask you, if I'm not wrong, this is probably one of your first big concerts as opposed to hosting shows in the past or being contest.
This is the first time, and I'm not hosting. I thought I would be hosting, but the 5 young gentlemen sitting on my right said, no, you won't be hosting, you'll have to dance. And said, you gave me a very pretty lady to dance with. So Farah Khan was a pretty lady.
And how's the experience been for you, as in being out in front of the audiences?
If you have to lift me up at the end of every show, I don't think the experience has been that good for me.
So instead of doing my moves, I have to go to the gym. So
Brilliant. Abhishek, I'd like to come to you very quickly. I know that you've toured the world many times with big shows, obviously with a huge family show that you did a few years ago as well. How has this changed in terms of doing a show, incorporating a release of a film as well? Has it been different? Is the approach different to it?
Not really, because this is actually the last time I was at the O2 was with family, and now I've come with a bigger family. That's the only difference. It's a lot of fun, We've had a wonderful time making the film, and we have a lot of fun on stage. I think everybody's become very comfortable with performing on stage now, so well, Sharad, you okay? Sharad is spoken, so he's very talented at that. So, no, but first and foremost, congratulations to Sharad for the wonderful honor yesterday. He continues to make us very proud as Indians, and many, many congratulations, sir. And so, yes, we're going to have a lot of fun. The O2 is a wonderful arena. I've performed there before, so when they asked me what it's like, I said it's very cold. The AC is very cold. But I promise you, after you get there and get into it, we'll beat you up.
Definitely, we're looking forward to it. Ivan, I'd like to come to you, my friend. This is your first major film, right?
Yes.
Second film, but first, like such a big canvas. How's the experience been for you working with a stellar cast like this, an experienced cast, but also touring the world with some phenomenal people that are kind of living legends as we stand?
Working on the film has just... It's been an absolutely life-changing experience, and the tour has taken it to another level.
One minute, you have to stand and talk to one
the actual emotions.
So touring with them has just taken it to another level. Good morning.
It's afternoon.
Good afternoon. And touring with them has just taken it to another level, because to stand on stage and to perform with all of them, I mean, it's just electrifying, it's exhilarating. I don't have words to describe it. It's really the most amazing experience, and also as Abhishek said yesterday, that to be sort of in a way ambassadors to our country and represent our country it's a huge honor, and it's also keeping in with the spirit of the film, because that's kind of what we're doing in the film as well. We're representing India, and so it's a really big honor to be here.
Fantastic. And Ivan, don't worry, we're just vertically challenged, but we're still very talented people, don't worry. I'm the same height as you, roughly, I'm sure. It's cool. And then we go from the man who had to stand to the man who doesn't need to stand to make a presence. Sort of sweet, welcome to London, my friend. It's a real interesting change for you, because obviously in the last few years we've seen you playing kind of the dark villainous roles and stuff like that, and you have crossed over. But this is very different for you. How's the experience been? Well, firstly, working with Farah as a director. I've been following you all on Twitter, and I know that you guys have had some mad kind of games console banter going on for the last year or so as you were shooting the film. But to kind of change from being a villain to someone less dark, how was that?
First of all, good afternoon, everyone. It's been a real, I would say, a life-changing experience for me working with Farah. I would say, I've done films in all the languages, but I can say it on record, she's the most talented director I've worked with. And there's no other director other than Farah, the way she presents actors, and I can really feel really blessed to be a part of Happy New Year. And thanks to Shah sir also for giving us such a big platform. I would say Happy New Year is the biggest film ever made in Indian history. And getting us such an amazing family with Daman, Vivan, Abhishek, Deepika. And I would say, every actor in his entire career has to do a film like Happy New Year, and I'm blessed that I did so early in my career. So thank you so much for that.
Brilliant. Now, I purposely left you to last because I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. Look you in the eye and speak to you, that's what I've been wanting to do. No, I'm fine, I should end up looking much taller than me and I look silly in the pictures. No, that's enough. Deepika, you've worked with Shah Rukh sir a number of times now. How overly comfortable do you get when you work with an actor that you've worked with a number of times in terms of kind of just going, as in, because sometimes you can just kind of go, yeah, it works, it's fine, I don't have to work too hard, he does his thing, I do my thing, it works, we know it works. Do you still have to find yourself, to challenge yourself, not just obviously being opposite Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, which I've had the good fortune to do for a short period of time, but like, did you feel challenged each time you worked with the same actor?
I think it actually makes it easier because I think every time you work on a film with a new co-star, you have to go through the process of getting to know them and their process and how they work on set. But when you've worked with someone, and I think we've done some really special films together, it just makes that process much easier. So you get that part of it out of the way, and I think we have an equation today where he tells me what, if we're doing a particular scene, if he thinks I can do it better, he'll tell me. And I think we have that kind of equation, very, very comfortable. And someone who I trust a lot, like if he says something to me, I'll never question it.
Fabulous. And how's the show been going for you? I mean, being out in front of these huge audiences all over around the world, I mean, what can we expect tonight from you? I mean, can we see some team-ups between, is it just going to be you and Charlotte, or are we going to see you working with other people on the stage this evening?
We have a very bad habit of gate crashing each other.
Oh, really? Oh, good.
It's a bit of a stage tradition back home. That once you're comfortable with your first show, then after you go and ruin the other person. So if you all happen to see any of us pop up into somebody else's act, trust us, we're not meant to be there. We've just shown up on the will and we're going to have fun.
I can only imagine what that must feel like for Vivan. Suddenly he's in the middle of something and Abhishek watching pops up.
The maximum amount of crashing. Whenever we go, we don't want to get into trouble with Shah Rukh, so we take Vivan with us, so Vivan is fine.
So you've got Shah Rukh. Brilliant. Excellent. Well, it's been a pleasure speaking to you guys. I'm really looking forward to watching the show this evening. I'm now going to open up the floor to our distinguished journalists and media here in the UK. Like Mobile is our main sponsor this evening and for the show, so I'd like to just start by asking Sunita Sarawal to start the first question.
Good afternoon to all the big stars in front of me and the journalists. I'm from Live Radio 1458, Sunita Sarawal. My question to whoever wants to answer, but Cine Youth who are not here today, I just wanted to find out if you can answer this question to you. To bring 135 cast and crew together, it's a hard work.
It's the toughest job.
It's the toughest job. To arrange, organize, preparation, coordination, how difficult is it?
How did Cine how do they do it?
Yeah.
I think Shah Rukh will be better. He's done maximum shows with them and they're really the best at what they do. I think it's really, in America we almost didn't make it to a show in Vancouver because Chicago airport shut down. And let me tell you, only Cine Youth could have flown 135 people in various airlines, get them on time for the show, get the props, costumes, everything. I mean, that was a show which we really thought would get cancelled, and it did. I think 90% of the credit goes to Cine Youth for that.
So big round of applause for Cine Youth, who was a nice job. And Shah Rukh, it took you 10 years to come back in UK on a live stage show. And this is the biggest one.
Yeah, I did a world tour. We started with Temptation some time back, and I've always maintained that when you do a world tour of this magnitude, one, I think I'm very conscious of the fact that it should be better, bigger, production-wise, technologically. It should just be a very happy moment for all the South Asians, everyone. They should feel, oh wow, it's the show has come down. And you need to have a team, and you need to spend a couple of months together to do it. It's not just 2 days of rehearsal and let's just go out, do a bit and go. It doesn't work like that. It's taken me 10 years, yes. I was waiting for Abhishek and Deepika to grow up. and Ivan to be born.
Ivan, they bully you a lot. No,
So no, but seriously speaking, it's you really need a team, and at different times, I'm sure I've spoken to Abhishek and Deepika and other people who perform and said, let's do a world tour, let's do a world tour. But this, the first day we were in Dubai shooting the film, I just felt so happy to be with everyone, and we knew we'd spend time together, and each one of them, see, jokes apart, the film is a fun film, and I'm really sorry. Gently. So the first day when we got together, these are, and I'm not being patronizing here, just because perhaps I've done a little more film work, and but when I saw them, this is a set of most hard-working actors that I've worked with. And they, with fun, they're happy doing that work. We've got 10 hours, 14 hours, 18 hours without sleep, even this travel now, and everybody's cheerful, pushing each other. And I think that was the most important ingredient that you need in a world tour. So the 10 years is so that we could put up a show which is better than what we've done before, and inshallah we'll be able to do better.
Hello, Indiawalas. First of all, Eid Mubarak to all of you. My name is Aisha. And my question is basically to Shah Rukh and Abhishek. Shah Rukh, you previously said that releasing a film or like a music launch, it's sometimes a bit sad as well because you're giving away a part of yourself. So in this Happy New Year journey, what has been the most precious part that you're going to miss?
We all will say the same answer actually. We are going to miss each other the most. I think the madness of fun. When it started the film, there are days when you feel you're being pushed. She's an amazingly wonderful director. And her madness brings you all together. We fight with her, we argue with her, we discuss. Sometimes standing in the lift, if you hear Farah, Bomber and Abhishek speak to each other, you think they're going to beat each other. And you realize it's just a happy way of being. I think I'll honestly, really, I've done a lot of films, all of us have done some really wonderful films. But this is going to be sad the day, we'll see the film on 22nd, 23rd with everyone. And then that whole feeling on Saturday that we won't be seeing each other. I'm sure we'll call each other home.
Tishu, please, I can't do this too big to cry for us, sorry.
No, I've just realized it's coming to an end.
You just realized it. It was like 15 days to release one kid, you just realized.
She just realized she's got some post-production.
Sorry.
I want my actors to read up the film in the press conferences.
I'm Shraddha, I'm from Nepal, but I've been for 9 years, and I'm presenting LexiMemory.com. I just want to say that on behalf of the entire Nepalese community, thank you for saving us a lot of money because we don't inspire us at Stowe to learn Hindi. I've watched Bollywood films and learned Hindi over the years. So थोड़ा हमें भी आता है हिंदी और हम सीख लेते हैं. Bollywood. So my question is for all of you. Bollywood has. So Bollywood के fans तो सभी दुनिया में हैं, सारे होंगे. पर आपके प्राय जब सभी जो कॉन्सर्ट होते हैं, सिर्फ वेस्ट पे ही क्यों होते हैं? साउथ एशियन कंट्रीज के फैंस, स्पेशली नेपाल के फैंस भी आपके कॉन्सर्ट देखने के लिए बहुत सालों से इंतजार कर रहे हैं. So आपका नेक्स्ट कॉन्सर्ट अगर साउथ एशियन कंट्रीज में, I think she deserves
there's no one reason that we don't do it. We do go down to Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore. The production that one requires, the logistics, and being able to arrange stuff. It does take a little bit of getting everyone together. And with due respect, I think the accessibility to that kind of technology, or a big stadium like, or a venue like O2, is necessary. Otherwise, you have to do an outdoor one, then the weather comes into being. But inshallah, this one, I think we will take all over the subcontinent. We will try our best. We'll figure out a way that we give enough notice, look at the weather, even if it has to be done outdoor. As soon as you go outdoor, the whole concept changes of a show. And indoor, there are limitations in terms of the number of people we can get into kind of indoor stadiums in India also, not everywhere else. But we'll figure this out and do it for sure, inshallah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, I think that means thank you.
Hi, welcome to all of you here in the UK. Like many other journalists here, we've come to quite a lot of press conferences, and I've got to say this is one of the biggest we've been to. My question's for Deepika. You look amazing, by the way. By looking at the posters and the trailers of the film, it's quite a male-dominated cast. How was that for you? What was your experience of working with them? You have to eat it, you can't eat it. Really? How was it?
हमने कोई मर्द नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं।
No, shout out to your old man.
I mean, what more can I ask for? I feel like the luckiest woman in the world. I mean, how often will I be surrounded by so many men, good-looking, charming men in one film? And I got them in different shapes and sizes. And he's the most charming of the lot.
I can see that.
And yeah, it's definitely the most, it will, I know for a fact, be the most special experience of my life. They've taken so much care, they've pampered me, and not just me, both of us, Farah and me, and they're at their best behavior when the two of us are together and we're all together. Yeah.
So girl power achieves even though there's moments.
They're just really nice people.
Thank you. Well, you're definitely the envy of a lot of women. Thank you.
Hi, it's Shahrukh and Farhan. Salam, Eid Mubarak. Nasrullah Qureshi from Norway. I hope you remember me from the Badshah.
Yes.
Yeah. So, we're releasing your film in Scandinavia. And I heard from some friends in Germany, they're telling me that you're planning also a Slam tour after the release of your film. Is that correct? Or if I'd like to invite you for Norway and Scandinavia?
I was born in Copenhagen, so we'll definitely show there.
Yeah, please.
So yeah, 100%. Yeah, 100%. Not just because I was born in Copenhagen. No, I just said that. We'd like to continue with Islam tour. Obviously, a lot of European countries are there. And Southeast Asia and Africa, South Africa and everywhere. We'd love to take it South America. We'd love to take it everywhere. So the modalities and logistics will be worked out. You've invited us. It's a done.
Of course I will invite you. Not a problem.
Thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for this afternoon. You've been an amazing audience, and thank you so much for your lovely questions.